Hello friends, welcome in today's maths lecture. Today we are going to study determinant, standard 12th, chapter number 4. And in this today's lecture, we are finding the inverse using adjoint method. That is very simplest method and very easy method we are going to study now. For know of adjoint method, we must know about the minors and cofactors. So, minors, there is a definition. Minor of an element Aij of a determinant obtained by eliminating or deleting the ith row and jth column in the element Aij lies. So, minor of an element Aij is denoted by Mij. Same as that cofactor is what? Cofactor of an element Aij denoted by capital Aij defined as Aij is equals to minus R1 to the power I plus j of Mij, where Mij is a minor of Aij. Means what? You must find out the minors and then just check the position of minus 1 to the power the position numbers. If 1 1 then 1 plus 1, if 1 2 then 1 plus 2. When we multiplying with a minor, we get find the cofactors. And after you finding the all cofactors, then we must making the adjoint. That adjoint of a matrix is the adjoint of a square matrix A of Aij of n by n row is defined as the transpose of the matrix Aij, capital Aij, where capital Aij is a cofactor of the element Aij. Means what? You must have to find all cofactors and taking the cofactor matrix, take a transpose. That transpose is an adjoint of A. When we know that all adjoints of A, then there is a formula of A inverse. So that formula of A inverse is what? A inverse is equals to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So we can, using all these values, we just know how to find. So our matrix of A is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. So first we want to find minor. Then minor of A11, we say that it is M11 is equals to what? That deleting row and column of A11. So just A11, it row will be deleted, A11, it column will be deleted, it remaining what? A22, A23 and then A31, A32 and A33. Same as minor of A12 is equals to M12. That again check A12. So eliminating this row and column. So what remaining? A21, A23, A31, A33 right here. A21, A23, A31, A33. Same others are. So for A13, again eliminating row, eliminating column, what remaining? A21, A22, A31, A32. That is here. Same as for 2-1. Now just check it. 2-1 position is here. So 2-1, that will be row will be eliminating, column will be eliminating, this is column will be eliminating. Then what remaining? A12, A13, A32, A33. Same here. Now for A22, again check it. A22, again deleting row and column. A11, A13, A31, A33. You have to just delete the row and the column. Same for A23, again check column and row. What remaining? A11, A12, A31, A32. Now for A31, ejecting that column, ejecting that row, A12, A13, A22, A23. For 32, that deleting this column, deleting this row, what remaining? A11, A13, A21, A23. And for last, A33, again check the column and the row, remaining A11, A12, A21, A22. All you can write here. All the elements you have to write now. So we now on that time we find all the minors. So now we want to find cofactors. So cofactor of A11, that is capital A11, that equals to what? Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 of M11, means minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 is an even number, so that is an plus 1. Plus 1 into M11, that is what is M11? A22, A23, A32, A33, that is M11. Same as to find all the cofactors of all other members, that is cofactor of A12 is cofactor of A12, that equals to what? A capital A12 means what? Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 M12. Same that cofactor of other, cofactor of A13 is equals to capital A13, that minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 M13, and the remaining are same. So cofactor of A21, that is capital A21, that minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 of M21. For cofactor of A22, that is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 of M22. Cofactor of matrix, cofactor of A23, that is capital A23, minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3 of M23. For A31, minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1 of M31. For 32, minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2 of M32. And then A33, that minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3 M33. So as this is an numbers that equals to the power depend on the sign on that power. That power is odd, sign is minus, power is even, sign is plus. So this is an minus M12, this is plus M13, this is 2 plus 1 3, 3 is odd number, that is M21 minus 2 plus 2 is 4, so it is what? Even number, plus M22. 2 plus 3 again odd number is minus sign M23, and then it is an minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1, that is 4 plus, that is M31. 3 plus 2 5, 5 is an odd number, minus M32, and last M33, 3 plus 3, that is 6, is an even number, that capital M33. So check that the sign is same as first is plus, second is minus, third is plus, plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. This is the sequence. You have to know about that sequence. Now that when you find all these numbers, then your cofactor matrix. So cofactor matrix, that Aij is equals to matrix of A11, A12. So all these A11, A12, A23, A33, these are all we can arrange by this way: A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. And now when we take a transpose, then we make an adjoint of matrix, adjoint of A, that equals to what? This Aij transpose, that equals to what? Transpose of A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, is a transpose. Now that is transpose means what? Just interchange with row to column and column to row. So it's happen equals to what? A11, then A21, A31. Next A12, A22, A32, and next A13, A23, A33. It is now converting row to column. So this is an transpose. This is an adjoint of A. Now the inverse is what? A inverse is equals to 1 upon determinant of A. So A inverse is equals to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. This adjoint you can write here, divided by determinant of A, then you get a find of A inverse. So this is then finding the third step or third method to find the inverse. First is elementary transformation row on column, and third is by adjoint method. So this is very simplest method to find inverse by any matrix. Let me take the inverse with an example. So that matrix A is 1 2 0 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 0 minus 1 1, and find A inverse. We want to find A inverse. Let me do by finding adjoint method. So first find the minus m11 means what? Eliminating this row and column. So what remaining? Minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 1. Right here minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 1. Next for this term m12, that again divide the row and column, remaining minus 2 minus 2 0 1, minus 2 minus 2 0 1. Same for 0, deleting this row and deleting column, minus 2 minus 1 0 minus 1, minus 2 minus 1 0 minus 1. Solve this. That minus 1 into 1 minus 1, minus sign, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, then minus 1 minus 2, that equals to minus 3. Same here, solve this. Minus 2 into 1 minus 2, minus 2 into 0 0, the answer minus 2. Third, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, minus 0 into minus 1 0, remaining 2. Now remaining are others. Find out m21, m22. So we can find all the values of minors, that m31, m32 and m33. So these are all the values. Now finding the cofactor matrix. So that capital A11, there is a formula that what? A11, A12, A13, that minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, that is plus sign, 1 2, that is an minus sign, and 1 3, it is again a plus sign, just denoting or deleting the sign only. Same as A21, A22, A23, the sign is again same here. What? 2 plus 1, that is 3, odd number, it is an plus number, and 2 3 minus number. Same A31, A32 and A33. Again 3 plus 1, that is 4, is a plus sign, 3 plus 2 is a minus sign, 3 plus 3 is a plus sign. Put up the value. A11, that minus 3, A12, that is minus 2, A13, that is 2. Here 2 1, that answer 2, it is 1, 2 3 is minus 1, and now 3 1 is minus 4, 3 2 is minus 2, and 3 3 is 3. So all the values you can write on the cofactor matrix. So Aij, that cofactor matrix, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, put up the value, that minus 3, that plus 2, then the values. A12 is what? Plus 2, A13 is plus 2, A21 is minus 2, A22 is plus 1, A23 is plus 1, A31 is minus 4, then 3 2 is plus 2 and 3 3 is 3. All these values are cofactor matrix. Now find adjoint. That we know that adjoint of A is equals to what? Aij transpose. So take a transpose of this matrix, that minus 3 2 2 minus 2 1 1 minus 4 2 3. Take a transpose, that equals to what? Minus 3 2 2, then minus 2 1 1, then minus 4 2 3. Just check the column interchange with a row. Column interchange with a row. This is an transpose. So now again we want to find a determinant of A. That A is what? Determinant. The determinant of 1 2 0 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 and 0 minus 1 1. Finding determinant using the first row. So that the formula is A11 into A11, then minus A12 into A12 plus A13 into A13 into with the cofactors. So that is the formula determinant. So put up A11, that position is 1, into cofactor of A11, then we can find it what? It is simply minus 3 with a minor also. So that value we can put up 1 into minus 3 3. This is then 4 plus 0. Here with n minor factors, cofactors, then A11 capital A11 plus A12 capital A12 plus A13 capital A13. When we take an minor, then A11 M11, there is a minus sign, A12 M12, then plus sign A13 M13. How we can find? You must have to know that. So minus 3 plus 4, this is then 1. Then you know that the formula A inverse is equals to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So put up the formula, that 1 by 1, because determinant is 1. This is then determinant of A. Now adjoint of A, we have to now the values we must know that minus 3 minus 2 minus 4 2 1 2 2 1 3. So this is your A inverse. That A inverse is equals to what? 1. That so A inverse is matrix of minus 3 minus 2 minus 4 2 1 2 and 2 1 3. This is the inverse. It is a very simplest way to find A inverse, and it is most correctly method as compared to row and column, because many times when we solve row and column method, if some minor mistake will be there, then answer will be wrong. But here you must have to know just finding the minors, cofactors, cofactor matrix, adjoint matrix and inverse. You have, it is a very simplest way to find inverse by adjoint. Using this you can find the inverse by 3 by 3 matrix or 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix, it is a very simplest way, that if any matrix in the form of A11, A12, A21 and A22, then it is just change the sign and change the position. That adjoint of A is equal to just changing the position. Means what? A22, A12 change the sign and A11. This is finding the adjoint of A in the 2 by 2 matrix. So simplest way, just what? Interchange in the diagonal matrix, diagonal elements A11, A12, change and position A22 and A11, and the non-diagonal elements change as sign, that A12 the change minus A12 and A21 the change sign minus A21. So this is an adjoint of A, very simplest way how to find. Today we studied to find the inverse by adjoint method. Using this you can find the linear equation form. In the next period we can take on that examples on the type of linear equation, find the value of x y z. That is the most important topic for that determinant. we can take in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.